Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on dividing algebraic terms. In this lesson we will see how to divide algebraic terms that contain pronumerals. We will start by using a simple method which involves expanding each term before we divide. So let's look at a few examples. M to the power of 5 divided by m squared. So that's another way we can write it. So we have a numerator and a denominator. Now m to the power of 5 can be written this way. M squared can be written that way. Now the next step is very important. What we're allowed to do is cancel the two m's from the denominator. So there are two m's from the denominator, so we cancel those out. And we can cancel two m's from the numerator. So we have to cancel the same number of m's from the numerator and the denominator. And look what we are left with. M times m times m, and that's m to the power of 3. Now 12k to the power of 6 over 4k to the power of 4. So there's the 12 and there's k to the power of 6. When you see the x, see that one there, that's just the multiplication sign. That's not a pronumeral. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's k to the power of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's k to the power of 4. Now 4 into 4 goes once. 4 into 12 goes 3 times. So we have 3 over 1. We cancel 4k's from the denominator and 4k's from the numerator. Exactly the same number. So that leaves us with 3k squared over 1, and that's 3k squared. Let's have a look at the next slide. This is an interesting one. Have a look how this is set up. So we have that situation there. So that gives us w to the power of 4 times k to the power of 3. That'll be the numerator, divided by that part there. Now to expand w to the power of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, so there are 4 of them. To expand k to the power of 3, we have that. W squared is that, and there's our k. So remember, cancelling the same letters from the numerator and the same letters from the denominator. So we cancel those two, and then we cancel those two. We can cancel 1k from there and 1 from here, and what are we left with? W times w is w squared, k times k is k squared. So it's w squared k squared. Excuse me. Let's look at number 4. So there it is there. We rewrite it this way. When we expand it, this is what we have for the numerator, and that's what we have for the denominator. Let's quickly check. There's m cubed, k to the power of 4, and b squared. There's m squared, k to the power of 5, and b cubed. 6 into 6 goes once. 6 into 18 goes 3 times. We cancel 2 m's from there and 2 from there. We cancel 1, 2, 3, 4 of the k's from here and 4 of the k's from there. We cancel 2 of the b's from there and 2 of the b's from there. So what are we left for the numerator? A 3 and an m. That's 3m. What do we have in the denominator? We have a k and a b, and that's kb. So the answer is 3m over kb. So that situation there, that initial sum there, can be simplified, and there's the answer. So this video has introduced us to the idea of division with respect to algebraic terms. The important thing is to do the expansion and to cancel exactly the same letters from the numerator as the denominator, and when you can't cancel any more, you just write down the answer.